Good, so students, good morning all of you. Now let's start with our English subject, class 3rd, chapter number 1. Okay, what is your chapter number 1? Name of the chapter number 1 is Alphabetical Order. What is the name of the chapter? Alphabetical Order. Okay, this is your Alphabetical Order chapter name, correct? We all remember the letters A, B, C, D, E and so on. You all know A, B, C, D. So, alphabetical order is mainly A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H up till Z. We know that B always comes after A and C always comes before D. Yes, of course, सभी जानते हैं कि A पहले आता है B से और C हमेशा पहले आता है D से. The order in which A, B, C, D, E are arranged is called the alphabetical order. और इसी order को alphabetical order कहते हैं जो हम A to Z लिखते हैं और छोटे से पढ़ते आ रहे हैं ये चीजें. Next, A part. Arrange the names of these games in alphabetical order. What are the games given here? Number 1, hockey. Number 2, football. Number 3, cricket. Number 4, badminton. So, we will start with badminton because A alphabet games is not written here. So we will start badminton. Number 2, C, that is cricket. Number 3, F, that is football. And number 4, hockey. H for hockey. E, F, G and then H. Correct? Exercise B. Arrange the names of these characters in alphabetical order and write them in the blanks. These are the characters which you have to write them in the alphabetical order. Red Riding Hood, you know the story about Red Riding Hood? Snow White, Goldilocks, Cinderella, Pinocchio, Thumbelina, all these are the characters of some of the other story, correct? You have to arrange them in the alphabetical order. Number 1, Cinderella. Number 2, Goldilocks. Number 3, P, Pinocchio. Number 4, R, Red Riding Hood. Number 5, S, Snow White. And number 6, Thumbelina. Students, alphabetical order chapter is very easy because we all know how to write A, B, C, D and the sequence how they are written. A to Z. Correct? So, I think you have understood the exercises also related to this chapter. That is, there are 2 exercises, A exercise and B exercise. You all have to do this in your notebook. Okay? Now, let's start with our chapter number 2. What is this? Sentences. Our next chapter is sentences. Let's start with sentences. Read these groups of words. Number 1, like I cartoons. Number 2, in the garden. Do these groups of words make sense? क्या कोई सेंस बना रहे हैं ये sentences? ये जो आपके सामने ये लिखा हुआ है sentence, दोनों sentences जो इनको sentence कहा जा रहा है, these are not sentences actually. These are groups of words only. Because इस जो आपके सामने groups of words दिए हैं, इनमें subject और वर्ब दोनों एक साथ नहीं है तो और प्रॉपरली कोई मीनिंग भी नहीं निकल रही इससे कोई सेंस नहीं निकल रहा इससे हमें कुछ भी समझ में भी नहीं आ रहा करेक्ट डू दीज ग्रुप्स ऑफ वर्ड्स मेक सेंस क्या कोई सेंस बना रहे हैं ये दोनों जो सेंटेंस जो ग्रुप्स ऑफ वर्ड्स लिखे हैं नहीं ये कोई सेंस नहीं बना रहे the first group of words does not make any sense. The second group of words makes sense but not complete sense. इस in the garden से भी हमें कुछ भी नहीं समझ में आ रहा बस garden में in the garden तो it does not make any sense. Now read these groups of words. I like cartoons. Second, Meena is walking in the garden. Look here students. Here it is written like I cartoons. It is wrong. This will be the correct answer. I like cartoons. This is making some sense. So, it is a sensible sentence. So, we can call it a sentence. Next is Meena is walking in the garden. This Sentence also telling us something. We are understanding something as it is a sensible sentence. So from these examples we can understand sentences. These groups of words make complete sense and are called sentences. Now you are able to understand the sentences. So a group of words that makes complete sense is called a sentence. Students, you all have to learn the definition of the sentence. Sentence की definition आपको learn करनी होगी, correct? Let us read some more examples. My umbrella, मेरा छाता. इससे भी हमें कुछ नहीं समझ में आ रहा. So this is not a sentence. That is my umbrella. इससे sentence से कुछ sense निकल रहा है. Meaningful words है ये, group of words. तो it will be ticked as correct. From my house, इससे भी कोई meaning नहीं निकल रही. My house is far from my house. This is making some sense. So this is a sentence. School or playground my has. It does not making any sense. Correct sense is My school has a playground. मेरे स्कूल में playground है. तो इससे हमें कुछ meaning पता चल रही है, कुछ पता चल रहा है, कोई बात पता चल रही है. तो this will be correct. Now let's do exercise here. Tick the sentences and cross those which are not. जो sentences नहीं है उनको cross करना है और जो sentences हैं उन्हें tick करना है. Number 1, Suhana is my best friend. Yes, correct. It is ticked. Number 2, happy I am very today. Cross. 3, the phone is ringing. Correct. 4th, in the market. Cross. And students, like this, you all have to read and understand whether it is a sentence or not. And you all have to do this exercise also in your notebook. Now let's read. A sentence begins with a capital letter. Always a sentence begins with a capital letter. कोई भी sentence हमेशा capital letter से start होता है. Okay? A sentence ends with a full stop. और end किस पे होता है? Full stop पे. इसीलिए आपको टीचर्स बोलते हैं ना, always put full stop after each and every sentence. Example, the school is closed on Sundays. Sundays को school closed रहते हैं. तो we are having here capital letter also and full stop at the end. It can end with a question mark when the sentence asks a question. जब हम कुछ question पूछ रहे होते हैं उस वक्त भी student we have to write question mark, not full stop, because it shows the interrogative sentence. Means ये question mark आपको बताता है कि आप question पूछ रहे हो. यहाँ पे you are asking some question. Example, what are you doing? आप क्या कर रहे हो? आप ये पूछ रहे हो ना? That's why we put question mark here. Now, exercise B. Match the groups of words given in the two columns. Rohan, number 1 Rohan, we will match it with D. Studies in my school. Number 2, Reena and Veena are good dancers. Number 3, my grandfather walks with a stick. Number 4, birds build nest in trees. Birds build nest in trees. Number 5, my mother cooks good food. My mother cooks good food. Now, let's shift to the exercise C. Rearrange these words to make sentences. Use capital letters at the beginning of the sentences and end with full stop or question marks. ये है full stop and this one is question mark. Number 1, my best friend Rohit is. So, what we will write? Rohit is my best friend. Rohit is my best friend. I study in this school. What we will write? I study in this school. Number 3, I will have dosa for lunch. The correct answer will be I will have dosa for lunch. Number 4, do you have my Hello students, let's continue with our exercise C. Rearrange these words to make sentences. Use capital letters at the beginning of the sentences and end with full stop or question mark. You know what is full stop and you also know what is question mark. Now let's start with the point number 1. My best friend Rohit is. So what will be the correct sentence? Rohit is my best friend. Here R will be capital and full stop. Okay. Number 2. In this I study school. Wrong. So correct one will be yes. I study in this school. Number 3. Have dosa will for lunch I. So I will have dosa for lunch. Number 4. You do have book my. Do you have my book? So here it is asking question. So we will mark her as question mark. Correct? Number 5. Is what your name? What is your name? So you will write here, put here question mark. Exercise D. Complete the sentences with words of your own choice. Number 1. I am scared of ghost. So you can use any of other words. It's just an example for you to understand. Okay. Number 2. My mother cooks delicious food. I play with toys. Number 4. The stars shine at night. Number 5. The birds build nests in the tree. The birds build nests in the tree. Let's revise, students. Hi, I am a sentence. I make complete sense. I begin with a capital letter. You must know, students. Now I think you all understand the topic, sentences and alphabetical order. Students, what all the things which you have learned today or the exercises which we have done, so you have to do all in your notebook. Okay, that's all for